to Robertson Homes at Newton Manor in Dunbar. We are building a development of 3, 4, 5 and 6 bedroom family homes, including semi-detached and detached. The neighbourhood of Dunbar is really picturesque. It's a gorgeous sort of family town. Robertson Homes is a family builder. We've been building houses for over 50 years. What I love about Robertson is that the houses are really well designed. They do have that wow factor. Our properties are known for their space and natural light, as well as clever layouts. Our garden rooms are an option where they'll allow the light to flood through to your dining and kitchen area. We also offer the third floor grand option, which is again, really flexible. You could use that as a home office, you can use it as a playroom, or even a cinema room. There's so many different options that you can have with the third floor. A lot of our clients like to use that as a master suite, so the options are endless. What I love about Robertson Homes is they definitely have that wow factor. And that wow factor starts the minute you open the front door. So from getting into the sort of hallway, looking all the way up to the third floor, they're amazing. And they're designed specifically so that you've got a use in every room. So they are really vast. If you have any questions or would like to know any more about the Dunbar development, then please do get in touch by giving us a call, popping in to see us, or you can arrange a web chat as well.